Hi guys! In this video you will learn how I master 5-finger claw in Call of Duty Mobile. To do that, a 5-finger claw setup involves using all 5 fingers to control the game, with a dedicated finger for the aim down sight or ADS button. This setup allows for smoother movement and better control over your aiming and shooting. The main benefit of a 5-finger HUD is the separation of the ADS and fire buttons, allowing for smoother movement. With this setup, you can use your left index finger for firing and your middle finger for ADS. Your ring and pinky fingers help support the device, enabling you to focus on movement with your right index finger. For the ATIS settings on phone, I recommend trying all 3 options, which is tap to ADS, hybrid ATIS, and tap and hold to ADS, to see which one works best for you. I personally prefer tap and hold to ADS for its convenience and ease of use. To quickly adapt to the 5-finger setup, practice aiming and shooting with bots or train by playing free-for-all matches using snipers and shotguns. This will help you get accustomed to aiming and shooting with 5 fingers. So, open your Call of Duty Mobile and go to the Settings menu. Then select the HUD Layouts option. Choose the Custom Layout, then move the ADS button to the left side of the screen below the Fire button. Move the Fire button to the left side of the screen above the ADS button. Move the Jump button to the right side of the screen above the Crouch button, and move the Grenade button to the right side of the screen below the Jump button. Move the Prone button to the right side of the screen below the Grenade button. Then save your new HUD layout. Practice using the new layout in a few matches to get used to it. Use your left index finger for firing and your middle finger for ADS. Use your right index finger for movement and jumping, and use your right thumb for aiming and adjusting your view. Use the left thumb for grenades and prone. Practice using the new layout in different game modes to get used to it. Transition to 5-finger claw setup in Call of Duty Mobile can significantly improve your gameplay. By separating the ADS and fire buttons, you can have better control over your aiming and movement. With practice, you can quickly adapt to this setup and take your gameplay to the next level. And that's it. That's how I master 5-finger claw in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.